Hello guys, welcome to Chat GPT experiments. Today I'm going to try a unique experiment. Actually, it's going to be a small project that I'm going to do. It is going to be very interesting. Just hang on and see what I'm trying to do. So what I thought was like I'm looking to build actually an application, hiring application that is totally powered by AI. So for that I asked GPT. This was a conversation I had today. So it gave me different steps. Like first I have to define the problem, gather data, pre-process the data, select and train learning models, evaluate models, integrate, test, deploy, monitor, maintain. Okay. Then what I asked is, can you help me create an AI app that is hiring and better than LinkedIn? So this is a very audacious thing to say, but I just wanted to see like if ChatGPT can help with that. So surprisingly, it told that okay, creating an AI app better than LinkedIn can be processed. It did not tell it cannot be created, but definitely achievable with right approach and resources. So I it also gave a high level overview. First, you need to define the requirements, what makes the application better than LinkedIn, and what are the key features. Choose the right technology. To choose the right technology, this include NLP, machine learning, computer vision. Okay, guys. For one more thing, I want to tell that I'm not very super technical guy, but what I am very good at is like I'm very good at writing and also in communication. So ChatGPT was a very natural choice because all we have to do is like provide the right prompts, and it will help in solve the problem. And moreover, it has a lot of patience. Then we need to build a pipeline. So it gave an overview: develop AI algorithm, implement a user interface, user friendly interface. Okay. And one more thing, I have never developed an application before. This is the first time I'm doing. So test and iterate once you have built the application. So what I did is I looked into Google each of the steps. So these are the some of the different steps in which an application is deployed, marketed, and all like that. Okay. Sure. However, creating that is better than a complex task. It requires significant resources, expertise. Okay. Before that, it would be helpful to understand specific process. So some key consideration it told me they were related to data collection, because definitely an AI app means it requires a lot of data on which it has to be trained to make a hiring decision. Then I searched for each of them what it means, and I have some basic idea regarding that. Okay. After that, what what I thought is like, since I know little bit about the business side, I thought like, what are the faults in the LinkedIn app? So it gave me LinkedIn is popular social network for professional, but like any other software, it has some faults. Okay, guys. Basically, if I want to build something better than LinkedIn, then I have to exactly find out what exactly the faults are existing in LinkedIn right now, so that if I can fix that, it will be a better app than LinkedIn. Okay. Poor user experience. Some user have app is cluttered, confusing, slow to load, limiting matching algorithms. So here I think where I would like to differentiate my app, so it can do better matching between the candidate and the job requirements. Second thing is outdated information, lack of transparency, much from how it makes job recommendation. Okay, these are things. Maybe this is a company policy or something. Recruitment spam, some users have. Okay, this happens on any site, guys, so this is not a big thing. The main thing is like it has poor user experience, and it is slow to load and limited matching ability. So if I can improve these two things, then I can make a better app than LinkedIn. So they provide opportunities. Okay. Mhm. My app should solve all these problems. I just gave a prompt, so it gave an like overall overview of what I can do, what are the things I can do to solve the above problems that are existing in LinkedIn right now. So that is better than LinkedIn. See, here are the few areas that can focus to create an app better than LinkedIn. Advanced resume searching, screening. Okay. That can screen resume definitely, because it has to be very fast and efficient matching. This is where the differentiation will be. Create a system that can match the right candidate, right job, personalized career recommendation. for personalized career and recommendation. Also, I saw a post on LinkedIn today, like someone was actually complaining about some of the issues where that I highlighted over here. So it further strengthened my confidence. Okay, these are the things people are facing. Interview scheduling, automate the process of scheduling interviews with the candidates. Interview preparation, smart communication, enable efficient, streamlined capable job seekers. So overall it has to be very fast, and also plus the matching should be as accurate as possible. And diversity and inclusion, and maintaining a fair and unbiased resume screening. These are the things that you have to assert. So what I can, like, I can generate, like, can you generate some codes snippets, like I just made a spelling error here, it's okay. Snippet, so it can start, the app should be able to automatically screen the resume and match it. So it asks like what exactly I want, for what exactly code snippet I want. This also, so I told that the app should be automatically able to screen the resume and match with the right job depending on factors like qualification, experience, salary, and maybe salary expectation, like that. So it started generating code, Python code. It started generating Python code. Give a small example. I don't. It is not totally a perfect thing, but it started giving me some base where I can think about. Then the problem was, okay, this code takes in resume, job description, pre-process them to extract relevant information. This can be a starting point for your project. Where can I test the code? Now it was like, since in the previous videos I was using a local environment, so it's told that you can even use a virtual and cloud-based environment. Actually, there are some issues with my system, so I thought that if I can use some virtual environment where I don't have to install any packages or anything like that, so it will be much more easy. And then I also wanted to store this code, so I told it to give Chrome extension where I can store this code snippets. So it gave some, this one, code pen, code snippets, all this one. I installed these two so that I can store these code snippets, run it in an organized manner so that I don't have to repeat the process. Okay, can I test, can you tell me where I can test this code? Can run in local environment. Some popular IDs it gave, I'm very familiar with few of them, but it's also possible here where I found it very happy. I was happy here. Virtual machine physical, if you want to test in production like environment. Okay, then what are the we can use service as Google Colab. So it give different cloud services where I can start testing my code. Okay. Then I asked it to give me the link for Google Colab. Some spelling mistake, guys, because actually what I'm not typing, I'm speaking to ChatGPT. So while interpreting, instead of collab, it took collab. Google Colab is free online platform. This is what I came to know. Okay, and then I clicked here. I made an account over here, and here Jaldi Ana. This these two are actually my wife was speaking on the background. So the ChatGPT took this also, and it's produced some output. Okay, it's I'm sorry I didn't understand what you can. Okay. I'm trying to run call. Where can I see the output? So basically, I was asking like all the simple basic question, nothing like I was just like thinking step by step where I see the output, because that application itself is a new for me, like to understand. I cannot go through the documentation, everything like that. Directly, I just want to build this application for step by step. What are the things? Then it gave several other platforms. I told that I don't have money. I want a platform that provide large number of resources for free. So it gave AWS, Google Cloud Platform. They offer wide range of, and also like it also suggested some open source cloud platforms like OpenStack and Cloud Foundry. I checked this out. They are good, guys. Then I started testing. Then it gave me like even like Jupyter Notebook. This is also a new thing for me. I heard about it, but I just wanted to understand what a simple way what it is. People sometimes, those people who are into much into technicals, they just give very technical answers. So I just thought that maybe in a simpler way it can understand. Then each of this is, I can run the entire application. Then I asked it is free or requires subscription, everything. It was just like a coding partner for me. Give me the link to Jupyter. There I went there. Where should I do the code? I ran my code. So I have reached till now, guys. Still here. Then there are some other things he told, but this is still here. I have reached developing a AI application for hiring better than LinkedIn. So I don't know where it will take, but I'm going step by step. uh, it should definitely take to something better. Let's hope for that. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Abrar signing off from ChatGPT experiments. Bye, guys.